How to delete YouTube watch history on your Android device. If you don't want other people to see what videos you've watched on YouTube, or maybe you just want different video recommendations, then deleting your YouTube watch history in the YouTube app will help with this. Okay, straight into it. First, you need to start up the YouTube app. Next, tap on the library button in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap on History. Lastly, click on the three little dots next to any video and then click Remove from Watch History to remove that video. If you wish to delete all videos from your watch history, then you click on the three little dots in the top right hand corner of the screen, then click on History Controls. Lastly, tap on Clear Watch History. It will ask you to confirm that you really want to do this, then just tap on Clear Watch History. That's all it takes to delete your watch history in YouTube on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.